STEAM Explorers, welcome back to STEAM Club channel, and today we are going to be making something amazing. Yes, it's amazing because it is not a solid, it's not liquid, but it's what? It's bold. So meet Oobleck, the fun, messy and amazing experiment you will love. Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid, that is, it doesn't follow the normal liquid rules. When you apply force, like poking, heating and squeezing, the cornstarch particles lock together, making the mixture to behave like a solid. But when you release your hand and you stop moving, the particles separate, making it flow like a liquid. And this happens because the cornstarch and the water form suspensions where particles move differently depending on the pressure. And this is the same science behind cornstarch mixtures, quicksand, ketchup that refuses to pour until you tap it, and armor gels that harden on impact. For this mind-blowing experiment, we are going to be needing these materials. We have our cornstarch, we have a bowl for mixing, we have water, measuring cup, and color for a bright effect. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing first, I'm going to be starting with our cornstarch. I need about a cup of this cornstarch, so I'm going to measure a cup of this cornstarch. And remember, you need a spoon to mix, or your hand, but trust me, your hand is the best. So for this experiment, I'm going to be using my hand. Everywhere will get messy. Just be ready for this fun and messy, mind-blowing experiment. So this is half cup. I'm going to be measuring 2 of this. Okay, so I have half cup. I'll measure another half. Okay, this is another half cup. This is 1 cup, and I'm going to be adding half cup of water. But before I add that, remember, let's just add few drops of color. Few drops of color to give it a bright effect. Okay, I think this is okay. I'll mix this and add it to the cornstarch. Wow! Remember, your hand is the best. So I'm going to be using my hand to mix this. So you keep mixing. You keep mixing. You stir. You squeeze until it feels hard when you press it, but running when you release it. Okay, so wow, I'm still feeling some hard parts. Okay. Should I add more colors? Like my color is not showing well, so let's add a few drops of color. Okay. Okay. Some parts are feeling hard and some parts is actually looking as if it's running. So let's try this. Let's do the test. Once I eat it, let's do when you eat it with your fingers, does it feel solid? When you press it this way, oh. If you let it sit, it melts. Let's scoop up some. If I scoop up some and let it sit, it melts. Okay. This looks like slime, right? If I add pressure, it becomes hard. Can you see? If you let it sit, it comes running. Okay, I'm going to scoop some now. Okay, I'm going to pass it. Can you see? So under pressure it solidifies. But once the pressure is no longer there, it actually melts. And that is Oobleck, the liquid that acts like a solid. So try different colors, test how it reacts, and explore the science of materials. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more amazing experiments. Bye!